Welcome to Single Serve in Excel. Today we're going to do an overview of the status bar. The status bar is located at the very bottom of Excel and contains the following areas. The first part is the mode indicator. This indicates the current state of Excel, such as ready, enter, edit, etc. This is activated when you execute a command on a cell such as copy. So if I select Bob and Jane and press Ctrl C for copy, you'll now see that the mode indicator says select destination and press enter or paste. I can select any destination such as E2 and hit enter, and the data is pasted. Auto-calculate displays the average, count, and sum of numerical values when they are selected. So if I select the salary column in C2 and C3, you will see the auto-calculate fields have generated an average price of $56,250. I've selected two cells, and the sum of the salary is $112,500. Layout enables you to select among three layouts. Normal is the default view that shows only the worksheet with column and row headings. Page layout adds rulers, margins, and shows page breaks. Page break preview enables you to adjust the page breaks of a worksheet. Finally, the zoom slider allows you to zoom in and out of a worksheet. This is good if you are doing a presentation on a projector and need the numbers to appear larger. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.